Hey there, long time no see. Coulter the Credit Doc with 60-day credit repair. And I just wanted to personally say thank you for you submitting your information for a free credit consultation with 60-day. There's a lot of options out there, so the fact that you took the time to give us a shot to earn your business means a lot. So I just wanted to take the time to kind of tell you what to expect going forward. So number one, we're going to be contacting you from a 435 number here within the next 24 to 48 hours via text and a phone call if we haven't done that already. From there, when you get on the phone with your rep, we're going to be conducting a free consultation on you where we will be running an audit on your report via a soft credit pull that we will walk you through, and we will actually be emailing you over a copy of this audit. So whether you work with us or not work with us, you're going to be getting anywhere from about a 14 to 16 page audit that will give you free credit information so that if you don't end up working with us, you will still walk away with value, period. So again, I just wanted to extend a thank you from myself personally, and hopefully we can help you and actually get your credit in a spot where it needs to be. Thank you.